Welcome! Today, we'll gently release tension in the hips with 4 simple movements. First, begin with slow hip circles. Start small and then gradually make the circles bigger as your body up. Warm up. Move with control, allowing your hip to open while gently engaging your core and pelvic floor. Next, we'll practice pelvic tilt. Shift between a posterior and anterior pelvic tilt while softly bending and strengthening your legs. This movement improves pelvic mobility while strengthening your legs, core, and pelvic floor. For the third exercise, bend one knee at a time and gently press the hips forward and improve hip mobility. Then switch sides and finally bend both knees together, allowing the hips to move freely. We'll finish on all four with a gentle hip shake from side to side. This is one of my favorite ways to release tight hips and let go of physical and emotional tension. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and enjoy the practice. If you enjoy this practice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you in the part 2 of this practice.